In this video, I will show you 7 worth buying car gadgets and accessories on Amazon. If you missed the previous videos, you can check the playlist above. And as usual, you will find all the links for the products in the description box. Let's go! Furrion Vision S. It's a waterproof camera with night vision that comes with 3 high resolution with infrared night vision, live streaming, intelligent IR cut filters and wide viewing angles. This unique camera fits on the pre-installed prep, and the marker lights cameras can replace your existing marker lights. The 2.4 GHz proprietary wireless communication provides a reliable digital connection with no lag between the camera and the monitor. Tested for up to 100 feet at high speeds and extended range of up to 492 feet in open spaces. The 5-inch touchscreen anti-glare monitor comes with Park Assist mark lines and displays a clear image for up to 4 cameras for all-around coverage. The windshield and the table mount allow for easy viewing. You can also wire the cameras to serve as a security system to help you stay safe when parked. The cameras have motion sensors which can auto-wake the display. The rear camera includes a microphone with audio transmission. ACECAR head-up display. This gadget displays driving data on the front windshield, such as speed, RPM, water temperature, voltage, single mileage, compass, and a digital clock. With 3.5-inch HD display, you can see 0 double images, clear reflection on the windshield, and it is pretty clear in the sunny and rainy day. It avoids the danger of the driving looking down at the dashboard. When your vehicle breaks down, the Clear Fault Code function can help your car clear fault codes without having to spend extra money to go to the repair store. It also has 5 kinds of abnormal alarm functions: overspeed, engine RPM, water temperature, voltage, fatigue driving, and other alarm functions to make driving safer and easier. Roav VIVA. You will do a lot of amazing things with this gadget. It has Amazon's voice service Alexa that gives you complete voice control in your car. Just say the word to get directions, hear the latest news, shop online, play music, and more with its 2 integrated microphones which provide noise cancellation and accurate voice identification. It has dual charging ports equipped with Anker's exclusive Power IQ technology, deliver blazing charging speed to both driver and passenger. All this with securing your phone while you drive with the included magnetic mount.
Alexa, how's the weather?
In Oakland Gardens, it's 36 degrees with intermittent clouds. Today, you can look for lots of clouds, with a high of 48 degrees and a low of 36 degrees.
Kingslim D4 4K Dual Dash Cam. It's one of the most powerful and affordable 4K video car dash cams. It can simultaneously record videos in front 4K and rear 1080p resolution, clearly capturing license plates and route signs. You can switch to front view in QHD 2.4K and rear view in Full HD for daily video recording, capture QHD details to help restore the truth. Easy to connect to D4 with phone app via built-in Wi-Fi. You can play back and download videos and adjust the setting directly via phone app, which works with Android and iOS devices. It can auto-record the GPS data for your driving. With Super Night Vision and WDR technology, you can record the stunning details even in low-light environments, with its front 170-degree and rear 150-degree super wide viewing angles. RapidX X5 Plus Car Charger. The X5 Plus takes flexibility to the next level with an enhanced 3-port detachable hub. Now, front seat passenger can charge their devices using the USB charger tangle-free. The detachable 3-port hub designed for the back seat can be removed and stored in the glove box until it is needed for additional passengers. Easily reattach the 3-port hub and charge up to 5 devices simultaneously. It offers an accelerated, streamlined charging option for all your devices and also provides a 3.0 Qualcomm Quick Charge port for faster charging and a Type-C USB port. It comes with many colors: mint white, navy white, black white, and all black. AUTO-VOX Solar Wireless Camera. Save up to $200 in 5 minutes by this amazing gadget. No drilling, no wiring, or no professional installation required. To install this wireless backup camera kit, the only tool you need is a screwdriver. The amazing thing about it is its ability to be powered by the sun. You only need to charge it once a year with 30 minutes of sufficient sunlight exposure per day. Even in the rainy season, the fully charged battery can last for 2 months of average use between 2 or 3 times per day. It has a superior low light vision. Even in completely dark environment, you can reverse or park easily and safely under a low light source like your reversing lights. Tracki 2021 Mini Real-Time GPS Tracker. With a worldwide coverage, you can track vehicles, cars, trucks, children, dogs, motorcycle, boat, equipment, tools, assets, and valuables. Tracki is super small and super light. Comes with embedded built-in SIM card included and works worldwide. Tracki works with GPS satellites when outdoors as primary tracking technology and when indoors Wi-Fi as a secondary backup tracking. Tracki listens to nearby Wi-Fi routers' MAC ID, matching ID to Wi-Fi database for accurate location when GPS is not available. Rechargeable battery life is up to 5 days, tracking real-time every 1 to 5 minutes. If real-time tracking is not needed, battery lasts 30 to 75 days tracking, 1 to 3 times per day. I wish you liked this video, and if you do, hit the like button and go to watch the other videos now. Thanks for watching and wishing you a good day.